Did you miss me?
Who are you again?
Fuck you guys.
Keep your feet off the furniture.
Thank you for a follow, Momor 1111. Enjoy the stream. Let me see here. There. You guys ready?
Yeah.
No.
Fuck you then.
Damn.
I'm keeping it stable on. No.
Present in the path of the Genset convoy. A steel container of professional badasses. Hit the trucks and get the loot to the
Who brought ammo?
These stocks have a rich history of high street, gentlemen.
Shall I go stealthy?
Do it proud.
Stealth transport. GG.
Don't tell anyone we can do this. Guys, if there is a dozer, please. I need to punch the fucker.
Yeah, me too.
You need to knock out?
But I'm senior.
Well, I'm streaming now.
Damn.
We can change that.
Oh. Man, the shot's being fired too real in here. Quick, everybody duck.
Let's punch us a dozer.
You have fun with that. I'm just gonna stay in the
I think
van.
the achievement is not working when you're not the host.
Get that crate.
Yeah, it does.
What?
I think
We'll
it does.
try.
Hope you guys are holding up in there. 3 trucks are pulled over. When the doors open, get at them.
By the way, I got the saw.
Punch them.
Pulling bullshit rank. Hey, hit him.
I was just about to say that.
30 seconds, you got company. Cops incoming.
Who has drill skills?
30 seconds.
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Keep the cops off the drill.
Down on the ground. Get down.
One ammo back there. We should be okay.
I've got a first aid kit here. Here's a first aid kit. I've got a first aid kit here. Here's a first aid kit.
Ooh, Heavy's being all macho.
Oh, hey.
Are you doing a triangle?
I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing.
Hey, nice.
Oh, that's not news. That's why you got accepted to pro.
You keep giving me all these bullshit reasons.
Yeah,
Well, isn't it bullshit that you're Aryan Core?
exactly. That's why it was accepted to pro.
That's what I assumed, and then I got a core group invite and I was confused.
Oh, that was a mistake. Don't worry. We'll fix it.
Oh, okay. Can I be removed?
Cool.
Okay, cool.
You need to donate to Team Evil though.
Oh, okay, I'll get right on that. Me and my 52
Behind.
cents in my bank account right now.
That will do perfectly, I think.
Oh, okay. New
That's
Clover
52
DLC is
cents above zero.
being reduced.
Cover me.
Maybe.
Oh, I saw a bulldozer.
Where?
Where's the dozer? Where's the dozer?
I'll take out the shield. Get him.
Ah! I think
You get
it's
it?
Ah!
Oh,
Come on,
the others are
rock
killing
him,
me.
sock him.
Oh, I heard it. That's
Oh,
not
shit.
fair. Oh.
Okay, I need a cupcake.
If he shoots me, I'm blaming you.
You guys cover us.
I'm trying, but I'm gonna accidentally shoot the dozer.
Anubis, dance around him. Get him.
Oh my god, you guys are pathetic. Wow.
You're still beating me?
Ow! Yeah?
What the fuck?
Oh, I'm black and white. Shit.
I'm picking you up. Kill them, but not him.
I'm gonna.
There's
Listen,
another
back.
one.
There's a
There's
second
another
dozer.
one.
Anubis is
I'm killing it.
Ah!
He doesn't want to die, this fucker.
Where's the other
Oh, I
dozer?
smacked him tons of times.
Smack him hard.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
that's what you
Get me
said
up,
last
get me up,
night.
Get me up, get me up. Get me up.
Oh, black and white. Black and white!
Get me up, get me up.
Medibag here.
It's 3 of them.
Medibag here, please.
There's a med
Fuck.
bag over there. There's a med bag over there. Help me up, help me up.
Jesus, guys.
No, we need to smack him.
Yes!
No!
Yes!
It was mine! Prick!
Frick.
That's sad.
Oh, those shields! Hey, shields! Oh, you're dead.
Like,
Alright.
You know who you sound like to me, Anubis? Klaus from American Dad.
oh yeah?
That's why I thought
Nice.
you were
Sniper.
jealous.
I need some. Come on, come on. Hit me.
One back.
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
Oh shit.
Wait, he did hit you. Oh no, he did hit you first.
Come on.
Use ammo back.
Can you? Who shot him?
Oh, me, sorry.
I need berserker.
Oh, sorry. We can
You know what?
grenade you,
I'm
you know?
just gonna nade myself.
Oh shit, I'm gonna go.
Bundle.
Didn't help.
Where's the other dozers? You said there were two! Cheaters!
Thank you, Blue.
Alright.
I'm too old for this. Let's ready up and back.
Oh, where is the dozer? Yeah, dozy,
Wait.
dozy.
Is that?
All right. The van should be coming in soon.
Oh, I thought it was. No train us yet.
No, going the other way. It's going
Ready
to come
be
on
for
the other lane.
bacon.
No train us yet. Come on. Okay, number 3.
Anytime I'm
Very
still
nice.
not killing the dozer.
Yes.
Whoop, whoop.
Very nice?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh god, I signed up for this shit again?
This time you'll make it. How dare you. The whole status is online. Ah, flash.
Ow.
Yeah, collecting all the loot. We're gonna get all the loot, by the way. Because
That's fine.
What else is new?
Yeah, we got train.
Yeah.
40 bags to ride. We're gonna try 40 bags. Of course.
Yeah, that thing is.
I still need that achievement, so.
Nade out.
What do you... Oh, dozer!
You can get him, you can get him.
No, I thought that's fine. I don't see. I missed one there. Wait.
Did you not do it? Eh,
Oh
I'm
my
fine.
god, my eyes. Can somebody please
you can-
replace my retinas?
Yeah, you can just take mine. I'm colorblind though.
I just shot my sister. I don't know how I feel about this.
Really? Are you colorblind?
No, my sister.
I can hear those, sir.
I heard the dozer. Oh, he's up there.
Green or black?
Welcome.
Oh, it's a black one. Are you kidding me? You will
Thank-
rape me.
Thank you for the follow, Giovanni, for
That's
22.
racist.
Enjoy the stream. Oh yeah, I don't have nades.
No, that's
Oh, the vent is there.
knowing the power of your enemy.
Woo!
Ah, we have a sniper.
Alright, thanks.
Sniper dead.
Thank you.
Where's the fucking
What?
truck?
Over here.
Other side.
Oh.
Welcome. Keep your feet off the
It's a
furniture.
dozer, black dozer, I think. Thank you
I'll
for
get
the
him.
follow, Jade
Oh shit!
Streak.
Don't kill him too much.
Oh shit.
Ah!
Welcome.
Down.
Keep your feet off the
Thank you for the
furniture.
follow, Master Gamer 86. Enjoy the stream, dude.
Should kill myself.
Taser.
Yeah, we'll shoot that.
Welcome to Shit Town.
I'm gonna quickly take a cupcake.
Okay, I'm heading up. You can stay for more.
Alright, we can leave.
Yep, let's go. Let's go.
What an ending.
And I got the achievement, Anubis.
Oh, I'm on the I'm on a shield and he's tasing me.
I'm away.
Oh, that
Yeah,
was
right?
fun. Yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah,
Wow.
because he actually tased me, but he couldn't shoot me the shield because of that, because I was sitting on his shield.
I got tased in the air at one point.
Oh, that was so funny.
Oh, Red, we're gonna just try this once. If we don't get all the bags, then we just don't do it.
That blueprint you found was for a new
Okay.
If you are okay with that, or do you want to go for all the bags?
digging a little deeper. I
The
can
bags.
report of a
Of
special
course, all the bags.
train.
Yeah, but like if for some reason one bag blows up.
They think they've stopped due
You
Oh
wanna
no, we'll
restart,
continue.
or-
We'll
Ah, okay,
continue.
yeah.
No.
rail cars. One has the
Don't
hardware,
throw them.
the other two
Let's put them where we put them the other time. It actually worked. I don't know why. And just
behind
move as a group.
Yeah,
4
loving
people
it,
as a group,
baby.
always.
Oh. $10 donation from
Okay.
Nursila84. Thank you for the
Oh,
donation.
seriously?
Nursila. Yeah.
Oh man,
Thanks for the
No,
donation.
euros.
Yeah.
10
Yeah.
euros, sorry, euros.
Donation hype.
Oh,
10 euros.
Yeah, donation.
That's more than
Yeah.
$10.
Yeah, I know. I just saw wrong. Yeah, so it was 10 euros. Thank you so much for the donation, Nursila.
Well, Norzil donating all the time. He's a good follower of us.
Doesn't mean the donation is less appreciated.
No, it's more appreciated.
Yeah, of course.
He's constant.
Yeah.
Shh, we're stealthing, don't you?
Hey.
99.
Get him.
I got him. Get a
I'm
pager.
answering the pager.
Bored out of my
Nice.
mind, but otherwise fine. You could send down a few beers.
No.
Triggers with civilians around. It gets expensive real fast.
You got him?
Got the other one as well.
Nice.
Yeah, I have a kick out. Please answer the pager, Ruglemusa.
Yeah.
Okay. You stuff. If we manage to stealth this, I'll die.
In your dream.
Seriously.
That card should help.
Yeah, loving it, baby.
I'm just kidding. Oh, there is another kick
Oh.
out here next to me.
5 from Blue Hawk. 5 euros. GG, Blue.
GG.
Oh, balls.
No read.
I can't read.
I got the jumpsuit, CV.
We know that.
Fuck you.
Ah,
Fuck, no kick
I will
out.
try.
Jumpsuit, CV.
no, there is a kick
Oh.
out here.
Oh.
Oh my god,
Oh.
Google.
Oh.
Yeah, supposed to be a kick out here next to us on this CV.
Where are my casual points, Overkiller?
I'm the civilian
Yeah, over
tag,
here.
most
Over
time
here,
kick out.
Ruggle.
Yeah, I'm away.
Okay, which door should I open? I have a gut feeling about this one.
Yeah, me too.
Usually my gut feelings are wrong.
Open.
What? This time it
Ooh.
didn't. Okay, so the next one will be 2 doors ahead, probably.
Yep.
Which means this one and the last one.
Got the CV.
Hopefully.
Maybe it has a key
Nope.
card.
Oh, fuck it.
So it means it's this one.
It's this
No.
one and this one, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to build the doors.
Yep.
Don't let me play.
Also,
Oh,
this.
sorry, okay.
Iris.
Okay, so guys, seriously, we just need to go together.
Yeah.
It will-
Are you-
I'm
Are we
gonna
killing
just-
snipers?
I'm just putting twills on every door on this side here.
Yeah, but this one as well, Iris.
Yeah.
Snipper! I missed every single one of them.
Nah, no biggie. It's a warmer.
Oh, of course. Where am I going?
Dozer.
Where is it?
Arius, you wanna place a drill here?
Over here,
You
green.
did, never mind.
Coming!
I'm breaking his faceplate. Okay, he's good. Stop shooting him.
I shot it in the body.
Come on.
Couple times.
Ow.
I got him.
I died for your sins, Anubis.
The damage doesn't go down, what the fuck?
I need to be lowered.
Apparently, I was
Oh, I
just
can't
got
see
the
more.
knockout achievement. I hosted
I
the
can
server
do
myself a game, and I killed it by myself.
You want an award for that? Arius, look behind you.
Did you get it, Anubis?
No.
Don't care. If
No.
you're staying near me, I have
I won't
got
go
you,
for the
Nubis.
dozer achievement now. We need
Woo!
my health.
Damn it.
That's the pilot with the lance. Get it? The pilot just signaled that he's deploying the lance. He's done his job.
I'm going for the medi bag on the other side.
Alright,
The drill has been delivered.
where's the drill?
Find it and get it to those vaults.
Where's the drill?
Nade out.
Nubis, I'm with you over here.
Hmm.
Sniper. Ow.
What the fuck?
One sniper down.
Oh my god.
Huckster's down.
Where is blue? Oh,
Jesus, guys.
Come on. Oh,
Somebody drop a medic bag.
I can ignore this shield.
you got it?
Yep.
okay, blue, I need a cupcake.
Where's the pilot with the lance?
Holy balls.
Where's the lens?
I don't know.
Sniper.
Where's the lens?
See it. I see it. I see it.
Blue, can you come in with the cupcake, please?
Oh yeah, downstairs.
Yeah.
Snipers, watch it here.
I can.
I can't see him. Can someone tag him?
He's in the bush. Don't worry, my armor is so strong. I can
I can't.
hold out 2 shots. And those hill, on the hill.
I can't allow myself to go. Kill down.
I can't buy it. Oh,
Oh,
finally,
shit, lag
sniper's
goes
down.
up.
Sniper's finally down.
Chopper is on its way with another lance.
God, that shield refused to die.
Watch it, the blackie is here.
Oh, I'm lucky.
Oh, black. Ah. He's coming.
Shield set.
Shield down. Bulldozer.
Died.
Good job.
Nice. No,
Sniper,
no more
still
snipers.
alive.
Yep.
I'm gonna
Other
kill
side.
it now.
No, I took care of both the snipers earlier. I'm gonna get them now again.
No, there is another one.
Yep. I know there's one.
In the area.
They just spawned.
Oh, he's on the top of the mountain. He's dead. What? Another one?
Yep, he's dead.
Okay. From the blue.
Cops all over it.
I'm on this one.
Pilot is on the scene with a lance.
Pilot is on the scene.
More snipers are moving in.
Where's the fucking
I'll
lens?
I'll get the lance.
The chopper just dropped off the drill.
Alright, but let me put it
Yeah,
up
yeah.
there.
Oh, it's in
Oh,
the fucking.
snipers.
Ow!
One is down.
Which one?
Second down.
Nice.
Oh shit, what did he throw it to? Oh, you're getting it, Google?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, we got every vault door.
Ah, all the doors are open.
I'm deploying in here, I'm back.
Okay. Alright, so I'm
Come
gonna...
over here.
Heart attack.
No, don't. You can't throw it over.
Be fun though.
First aid kit. Get your band-aid. First aid kit here for anyone who needs first aid kit. Get your band-aid
Good
here.
one.
I've got a medic bag over here. First aid kit here for anyone who needs. I'll put a first aid kit here.
Alright, nice. I'm gonna go and fix the other drill.
More cops in heavy
I'm going
I'll
for
back
the
you up.
asset ammo.
who's boss.
TNT, we did big oil earlier.
Where is it?
Looks like snipers
Do a top 10 thing, alright.
Yeah. He's upstairs down.
Dead.
be ready for anything.
Like
Yeah,
this,
snipers.
Above me?
I got one.
Alright,
On the other side, the blue. There's snipers.
Taser.
the other one is on the top of the building. Dead.
On the right, yeah.
Nade out.
Alright. Oh! don't wanna meet the sniper.
Watch it when you go down.
Oh boy. Now, sister. Sister Christian.
Fucking
I got the drill.
My build is a machine.
What?
82 seconds on it.
I
How much?
mean,
80.
Okay.
nothing can break my ammo. Instead of 3 sniper shots and the fucking glue.
Ah, fucking blues.
1 minute on the drill over there.
Yep. Oh,
45.
Bitch.
she's dead for hours.
Which guy has disturbing the peace?
Still in peace? I'm not sure.
From muscle.
Oh,
Got
I
him.
got it, I got it.
No, I got him, I got him.
Oh, fuck.
Oh!
Let's
and
go,
a
let's
sniper.
go.
Sniper is
Yep.
dead.
Thank you.
My shockproof should
Watch
I'm
out,
gonna
poop shoot?
save you. What?
Did you just say watch out, poop shoot?
It's
No!
open.
My
Door's
shockproof saved you.
It's opening, guys.
Alright, I'm
Oh,
gonna
yes.
take the drill over
Ammo.
Let's move them. Everyone here.
Yep.
Come on, guys.
Move it. Taser down. Drop it down.
Let me take in the drill. I
Yeah.
have the drill skills.
Okay, last
right?
person.
Ah, fucking clock you.
Oh, I'm gonna help in it.
She's dead.
Taken care of.
Where's the
There we go.
last,
Oh, over here.
Handle that stuff with great care.
Take the shell.
okay. Where do you want
Let's
them?
start
Alright,
doing a
well, it's
train.
Where do you want the shells for now?
We're gonna put them downstairs. Where they're supposed to be. No, no, no! Don't disarm everything. Only what you carry.
Dozer.
Okay, okay,
They
okay.
will explode. Blue Hawk, come here and grab a bag.
Black Dozer over here.
Just
Fuck
grab
him,
that
just
bag
go
that
down,
I
forget about him.
took. Yeah, no, no, yeah.
Dead.
Good job. Remember, duck down when you are putting them. Basically, what we did, we put them here.
The other door is open, by the way.
So put them where I put the bag.
Okay.
Let's see if it's working. That would be awesome.
Stick him up. Go faster. Taser eliminated. Drop the gun.
Let's go.
Drop it down. Move. Pulling back.
God damn it! You had me worried back there. Now patch yourselves up and get
Fast.
the game.
This is the time.
Look.
Move it.
Hold on.
Welcome. Keep your feet off the furniture.
Thank you for your follow, Frederick Kruger BR?
Freddy Krueger?
Freddy Krueger.
Yeah, Frederick Kruger BR.
Oh man.
Enjoy the
No,
stream.
Freddy Krueger.
Our
Is that why I
friendly
can't sleep?
Kruger.
Our friendly Kruger. Our friendly Kruger?
Oh god.
Move.
Come on, wait, let's wait for them.
Watch
go.
yourself.
Taser behind. What the fuck? He flew into the mountain.
Is it there?
Okay, reloading. Ooh.
I'm gonna deploy one ammo bag on the other side. Just in case.
Alright.
One ammo bag on the other
Oh,
side.
blind.
I just shot the mountain.
Watch it from the snipers, they can hit us from now.
Yep. Got my sniper rifle out, so if you see them, call them out.
I thought I heard the dozer.
Ammo bag right here. Shield down.
Oh!
I'm gonna
Snipers.
return the duel.
Take the snipers.
One sniper down. Cupcake.
Ugh. Cupcake down.
Okay, nice, thanks.
I need them, I'm gonna check
The
from
other-
upstairs.
I'm gonna deal with the snipers.
Black and white. No, black and white, I'm white. I'm blind. Fucking hell.
I'm white.
Wow.
Sniper
Black
down.
and white. No, I'm white.
Shut up!
Oh my god. Wait. Wait, we are free, wait.
Okay.
Irias, come down and grab a bag.
Yep.
We try less to fight with them, you know, we're fighting only what we see.
Alright.
So it limits a bit our encounters.
Oh, come on.
Let's go.
Move it.
Okay, other drill is almost done.
The drill is almost
Yeah.
done. Stand by, gang.
We are not taking the turret.
Hey, Hoxton, come on.
No, I know.
Move the bag. They are the first priority.
Understood, Commander.
Oh, fuck you.
I was not making fun of you even.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
So
I
yes,
was
sir,
role
yeah.
playing.
Role playing what?
Role playing.
Oh.
Not that
Not
kind of
that
role
kind
play.
of.
Yeah, it's not only in that. Yes.
I just said.
Arios always has my dick on his mind.
And at first I heard something else. Come on, last tour and we have this.
I'm black and white. I need to get a heal.
Let's heal up
Can
in
someone
the
drop
last
a medibag here?
Wait, where?
in the last
Ah,
card.
yeah.
Last card.
Okay.
Oh wait, we need to wait for him.
Yeah. I'll also drop a med
What?
bag downstairs, maybe. I'm blind.
Kill the taser there. Oh, I got him.
Snipers.
Okay,
Snipers.
where are they?
There's-
Oh, in front. If you can smooch them, that would be awesome.
One is down.
Okay,
Can't see them.
I'm back.
Alright, let's go.
Second is down.
Nice.
Oh, fuck yes.
Wick is down.
Yeah, but they are down as well. I
Yeah,
took
up
7 with me.
there. You just fell on them and.
Yeah, and they just died. If you have Inspire, use it.
That's what I'm doing.
Going in front.
Taking ammo.
Houston, follow my lead.
Let's go to the other crowd.
Yep.
At the end, so move just straight.
More snipers.
Taser.
Okay. Boom.
Taser.
Welcome. Keep your feet off the
Thank you for the
furniture.
follow, Agent Six. Ow.
Roll for this. You earned this breather. Now it's
Okay, we have the turret here.
Yeah, I got the sniper.
Just leave it, don't touch it.
move the pieces.
So there's ammo in the other car.
Yeah, where is the
Alright.
other car?
It's right here.
In the middle.
Oh, it's
Forward,
over there
forward,
in the
forward. One
middle,
more.
Yeah,
Right.
it's one more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's right here. Right here.
Let's go.
These are the shells for the turret.
Which side should we go?
Fast,
Get the
guys.
stairs?
Take this
go
left.
down
Right.
here.
Just right. Yeah, it's
Oh, right?
it's straight.
Okay.
Going
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's going straight.
More cover, maybe.
Wick, come with me. Move.
You need to dismantle that turret.
Tag along.
You guys with me?
Geyser.
Oh, we should actually take apart the turret, because then
Oh, they're
no.
taking the bags.
Be ready for anything.
Not over my dead
No.
body.
Put your fucking hands up.
Well, we know they can take the bags from here.
Doesn't matter though, they're lured into a little narrow way where we can just kill them all.
Yeah. Just leave it there.
Hey, Houston, come with me.
Let's push. Yeah, man.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Squeeze.
Arius, we're gonna go up this way and...
Oh, okay.
We're
I'm
going
just
up this
killing
way.
Oh my god.
Got it.
Nice.
Wrong one. One more. Oops.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, wait.
My bad.
One car.
I'm an idiot.
Yes you are.
That's why I got in the core.
I was about to say.
Is this gonna become like a super running joke?
Yeah.
Okay.
What we need to do is throw the what do you call
Is
it?
that the drill?
drills. Yeah, I
Drill.
throw it away so they'll pick it.
Alright.
It gives them a target.
Houston, come with me. Move it.
They haven't taken our bags this time.
Shh.
Sorry.
Shh.
Ah, come on, I want the 40 bags.
Squeeze.
Yeah. Push.
Move.
Shield.
No, don't encounter them if you can avoid it.
Put your hands up.
One shield down.
Shield, eliminate.
Where'd you guys go?
To the...
To the car.
Oh yeah, I'm coming. Oh my god. Fucking
Where are you?
shield.
Oh,
Holy shit.
Okay, let's wait here, guys. He needs
Yep.
to come first.
I got the shield.
Follow my lead. Shield down. It's a shield.
Shield dead.
Move the hair out.
They're taking the bags.
Really?
No. I was just kidding.
Be very careful.
Ah! Bulldozer! Black one.
What are you doing there, Irius? Oh,
I'll
come
get
on,
him.
discipline. We need to go together, guys.
The bulldozer's coming up the stairs. He's on the stairs.
We will die.
He's going back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got the shield.
Shield eliminated.
Sorry.
Oh, no biggie.
Taser! Hands up!
I was almost about to throw the bag and get the next one.
Let's put them here now.
Activating sniper teams. Get low.
See if
Sniper
it's
team.
working.
Move it!
Oh shit, sniper!
Snipers.
Ah, I saw it happening.
I need a medic bag.
Place the cupcake for newbies.
We got a shield!
Fuck.
Hostiles down.
Can we pick him up?
Yeah.
Blind.
Oh,
Where's the fucking sniper?
I took the sniper.
Can't see.
Sorry, I didn't.
Need cupcake?
I think I can survive upstairs.
Okay.
Hopefully.
And there's a sniper. Oh, I'm kidding.
Guys over there.
I'm going for a cupcake.
Alright. You're good there.
Sniper. Dead.
Yep.
Right, it seems we have one more run besides this one.
Nice.
Maybe. Well, on the next one we'll disassemble the.
Nade out.
Oh shit!
Right,
On the
nice,
next one we will disassemble the turret so the car. The boat will come.
Yep.
Oh, I'm blind. And taser. Whoa.
2 tasers.
One is that. Accelerate!
Ammo bag.
Oh, that's so brilliant. Seriously. Fuck this ammo bag. It's just brilliant. Oh wait,
Gold.
wait.
Gold line from Pete Gold.
You think you're funny, huh?
Yep.
Go for the bags.
Well, you are.
Rachel is a HUD virgin.
No,
Alright.
no, go for the bags. Leave the turret. Go for the bags.
Alright.
Alright.
Well. Oh shit.
Move the pieces of the cannon to the pickup, gang.
Oh, hey
I
there.
thought he's gonna say, guys, the thermal drill, go get it.
Alright, you following me?
And one turret part is under the
Okay, the
stairs.
last one, right?
Shit.
Yeah, it's supposed
Yeah.
to be down. Guys,
I got
only
Rugal.
together. Seriously,
Yeah, I was
only
going-
together. We'll just goof it
I
around
missed
if you
him. I
want.
missed him.
Everything is
Sorry.
fine.
Just go down. Don't
I got
fight them if you
shockproof.
can.
I see sniper somewhere. Sniper dead.
More shields.
Blue, can you drop a cupcake? Do it later.
Not
when
yet.
Yeah, when you go with it.
Sniper down.
Nice.
Now we have the time. Start moving the bags to a better place that we can pick. Oh shit! I need help.
Coming.
Who's shooting me?
I can
You got
start
all
moving.
the
I can start moving the bags if you get the third parts.
Did we got all
Fuck!
the shelter?
Taser! Oh no.
First- Got him.
Fuck. Oh,
Too
I'm
many
down.
shields. Too many shields.
You guys okay or?
I got him.
Alright.
Holy shit.
They're coming, a lot of them. Take the doors out.
Bag moving simulator 2015.
Oh, I'm down. I'm black and white.
Alright, I got him.
Black and white as well.
Coming.
But they're all dead.
Holy.
Oh, back up from the.
God damn it.
Holy shit, there's a lot of people there. Okay, let me get some armor.
We have meds here.
Yeah,
somewhere?
I can get it. I just need to
Coming.
help covering. Okay, go Iris.
Did we got all the turret parts?
Yep.
So, yeah.
Okay, med
Put them
down.
on the right next to the tree. Here, here. Over here next to the ammo bag.
I did.
Did we got all the shells? Are you sure?
I think so, yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna take a look.
No, we got
Okay.
them all. We got them all.
No, we got them all. We cleaned it all.
Okay, I'm
We
fucked.
stay
I'm
here.
fucked anyways.
Grenading.
Okay, move all the bags before we throw the third in.
I
Right.
hope so.
No, you throw the turret
No,
in
no, no,
first.
no, 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 no.
Yeah, but
Third
move all
parts.
the bags before we throw the third. Over here.
Okay. Okay. Oh, we have time. Just move the turret so the bag. The boat will come. We'll handle it.
Please don't throw a fucking single grenade.
Oh, there's a lot of guys coming.
Boom.
Come.
Where's the third part? Third turret
Who
part.
got the third part?
Nice.
Is the third turret part missing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get it.
Okay.
No, it's
wait.
supposed to be. The bag's supposed to be here. Are you kidding me?
It's not. It's right here.
Where's the?
Oh, okay.
Cover me, I need that sniper down.
I can't
Where?
shoot the sniper, but I'm trying to kill.
Where
those
are the
next to
turret
it.
parts? Well,
Oh, it's above.
I
Blue
have the
got it.
last
Blue
one.
got it.
okay.
Just
Oh, okay,
cover.
okay.
Keep on covering.
Ah.
oh snipers.
Down.
Please be careful with the nades where the third
I'm
parts
down.
are. Okay, I got it.
And I'm black and white.
We have a med.
There's a medic. Get it.
Okay.
Oh,
I
fuck
got
it.
him.
Oh, Schmutzli. Fucking prick. Slots, it's kinda clean here.
Yep. Alright, start moving all the bags in.
Okay, your getaway's standing by. Bail now or use it to clear up the
Oh,
ammo.
almost missed.
Your call.
There's a Glocker.
It sure was rough for a while. Let's get back in the game, fellas.
No.
So many bags.
I think you knocked mine off.
Did you
Check
got
if we
it?
have.
Achievement.
Nope,
You
got it.
got it?
Yep.
We're gonna need a bigger
Oh,
boat.
nice. Good job, guys. Very good job.
Awesome!
Beautiful.
Nice. Only 11 million? Only 11 million
It
for all
was
that.
52. Yeah, we can get 55, I think, if we have additional 3 bags in the trucks. Sometimes you have 12, sometimes you have 9.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So we can get an additional 3.
Oh, 1 mil experience. Oh, even more. 1.15.
1.216 in my case.
I have 1.
If it was a 400 bag run, I would shoot myself.
400
I
bag
didn't
run.
understand anything. Oh, 400. Wow, 400.